guys, it's your girl 21 Pretty in Pink, and I am back with another video. This time I am doing a tutorial on how I created this beautiful style. This is wet and wavy hair. I have the package. I'm gonna show you the package in a second, but this is actually wet and wavy. It's not a wig. My last video, I did a tutorial on how to dye this synthetic wig that I had, and it came out pretty good. But this time, I don't really wear. That was just a wig. I could put it on, take it off, or whatever the case may be. But if I actually do like a sew-in or anything like that, I use 100% human hair. It just behaves better. Synthetic hair, you know, that's a temporary thing, but this is all temporary, even this hair. But either way, back to the point of the video. This is wet and wavy hair. I did a sew-in. It's not a wig. I did a sew-in, and it's my first time doing wet and wavy. I'm a first timer, and it's actually my first time doing a silk-based closure. I was so afraid to do these. I don't know why. I just was really intimidated by the lace closure thing, and I didn't think I could pull it off, but you know, I did. I pulled it off. It came out pretty good. And I just want to say, you know, go out and try new things. Don't ever be afraid to like try something new. If you guys, like, we're human, so we could like put our, whatever we put our mind to, we can make it happen. Like, this is like really good. This is my first time once again, and it came out perfect. Like, you know, and I was so intimidated by this silk-based closure. I would just do a regular leave out and leave my hair out, which, like, the rest of my hair is doing good, but my leave out is permed. It's like, you know, it's not in the best condition, like my leave out. So, but the rest of my hair is, because, you know, I wear protective hairstyles all the time. And so either way, this just ensures that everything is underneath is protected. You're good. And I tried an ear to ear before, and I totally screwed that up. Yeah, so this time I just, you know, got a little, the measurements are on the package. I'm going to show that in a second, but, you know, just a little closure this time, and it came out so nice. So what else I want to say? Oh, if you guys have any comments, like, you know, on what you want to see, what you think I need to do differently, well, not even that, just like, I don't know, good comments, bad comments, whatever, just let me know. Like, you know, I take constructive criticism very well. I don't take things personal. Everybody got their own way of doing things, their own whatever. I'm not a professional. I'm just a girl who likes to, you know, be pretty, and, you know, I would consider myself a DIYer. So, you know, and I just want to encourage others to, you know, try new things, try it. Don't always depend on somebody else to, you know, if you want to look and you think that, you know, because it's hard. You got to explain exactly what you want to these people, and then you got to wait for their time, and this and the third. Just, I mean, you could just go home and do it yourself. But either or, if you don't like to do it yourself, if you do, this is for a video for girls who do. So keep watching. I hope you learned something. And if not, if you want to see something like how I do my braid pattern or anything like that, just comment down below and let me know, and I will be sure to, you know, answer that question for you as soon as possible. So enough of me talking. Let's get into this video. I think you guys is gonna like it. So I'm just gonna start by showing you guys some of the products that I've used to create this look. I ended up getting a pack of hair from my local hair store called Nacked and Brazilian Virgin Remy 100% human hair, wet and wavy. You can bleach, dye, and perm this hair. I got it in 14, 16, and 18. It came with a silk-based closure, and I also brought a weaving net because I'm going to be doing a sewing. I got the bleach to create the ombre effect. It did not come pre-dyed, so I had to dye it on my own. And I got the Shimmer and Light shampoo and conditioner to wash out the bleach. And I got some mousse, hair mousse, so that when I wet the hair and I want to wear it like, you know, curly, I can just use the mousse to keep it shined and curled. Now I'm going to show you the hair before I even do anything to it, before I wash it or bleach it or anything. I'm going to show you how it looks when it comes fresh out the pack. Okay, so now I'm rinsing the bleach out, and it's not as light as I would like it to be. So I went again and put another layer of bleach on, went through the hair really good, and now it's perfect. So yeah, look at that blonde, looking real good. Okay, so now as you guys can see, I already sewed on the closure. I sewed it on the side because I wanted a side part. And now I'm gonna just sew on the rest of the hair. Obviously I sewed on the closure first. That's the way to do it. It's the best way to go. That's what I seen in other tutorials, so that's what I did. And I sewed that part on first, and now I'm just going to finish sewing on the rest of the weave to complete this unit. And this is the finished product. I really enjoyed making this video. I hope you guys enjoy watching it as much as I enjoyed making this tutorial. If you guys did like it, make sure you tap that like button and make sure you subscribe. I'm gonna be making another video, dropping another video within the next couple of days. So if you guys subscribe to my channel, you guys will be notified whenever I drop a new video. And like I said, I tried this, it was new, I enjoyed it. It came out really good. This hair is really giving me life. I'm enjoying this hair. Once again, it's your girl 21prettynpink. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time.